Hey guys, welcome to my channel BitGlenn. My name's Glenn and I like to share with you what I learn in the world of cryptocurrency as I go through it. So yesterday I actually received a package in the post which I've been waiting for ages. I was on the waiting list for ages and ages, but it's finally here. So we're going to do a little unboxing video and check out what's inside this little package. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel BitGlenn. Today I have got this little package here, which is my crypto card that I ordered the other day with you guys on that video. So I thought we'd open it up together. So I can't open it, I ain't got no nails. There we go. Ooh. It says, thank you, 2 simple words, but they have our entire team behind them. From our humble beginnings until today, customers like you that have reserved their cards have demonstrated great faith in Crypto.com and share our vision of cryptocurrency in every wallet. Today I'm delighted to present you with your MCO Visa card, Ruby Steel. Please activate your card with Crypto.com app, which will allow you to buy, spend and exchange fiat cryptocurrencies and stake MCO tokens as required. Once again, I thank you and I hope you enjoy the freedom and flexibility of your MCO card. Or something like that. So, see that? Yeah. This is the little hex shape card. So we're going to pull this and there's my new card. Just take it out. That is heavy. It's really, really heavy.
Really close, but it's good.
So this is the Ruby Steel card. This is the one I had to stake 50 MCO coins on. That cost me about £220, I believe. It was about $250. It comes in this little pull down packaging here, which is pretty cool. And that's it. So I'm gonna now go over to the app and activate this and then sort of put some cryptocurrency on it. Okay, so we have our Ruby Steel card. I don't know if you can see that. It's really heavy actually. It's quite a heavy card. I don't know if I tap it on the mic. Solid metal. Right, so what we need to do now is you have to actually go over to Crypto.com, the app, and actually click at this bottom right hand corner where it says card and you have to activate your card. The reason I didn't record it is because it starts asking you the 3-digit security code on the back of the card. Didn't really fancy sharing it out to the whole world, so I couldn't record that bit, but it was very easy. You just literally type the 3 digits on the back and it says your card is now active. That's it. A lot easier than some of the other credit cards that I've received over the years. So now I want to actually deposit money to it. So let's I want to top up. I just don't know how to do it. So on here we can also see the MCO that I had to stake to get this card in the first place. So I don't know if you guys remember, I had to stake 50 MCO, which at the time worked out to be about $250, which in UK money was about $213, $215, but apparently it's had an increase MCO of 4.38%. which Bitcoin's actually gone on a run up to 10k at the moment, so that makes sense. So that's all good. So we've got our MCO on there, but what I am struggling with is how to deposit money to this thing. I'm based in the UK, I've verified my address, but it says here, set up new currency, deposit fiat via bank transfer. You may set up to a maximum of 5 fiat currency wallets, and it only gives me US dollars or euros. Purchase crypto with your balance instantly. Transfer up to 1 million euro at a time. Only euro transfers accepted. So that's no good for me. And the other one's US dollars. So the only other thing I can do is just send. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. So here's all their cryptocurrencies they accept on their platform. And these, I think you create a wallet for all of these. Quite a lot of altcoins, which would make sense. A lot of crap coins as well. What do we want? So really, the only way I can see topping this thing up is actually by sending it Ethereum or Bitcoin, because that is all I've got. So far, not too good. I was hoping to actually purchase cryptocurrency with this rather than having to rely on Coinbase. But yet again, in the UK at least, unless I'm missing something here, and I'm sure someone will comment in the comment section below, but I can't seem to figure out where I deposit UK money using either a credit or debit card onto this, or even just doing a bank transfer. I'd be happy to do a bank transfer. So yeah, not too good so far. So I'm a bit disappointed with that. The card is awesome, like it looks awesome, and the benefits are awesome with the card. But for me to use this as my daily use credit and debit card, I need to be able to easily and cheaply send money over to this card, like on a weekly or monthly basis, and then I can actually go around purchasing stuff with it. So unless I actually buy some Ethereum or Bitcoin or Litecoin or something like that through Coinbase and then send it to this platform, that's the only way I can see topping this up. So far that's not what I really wanted. So far not so good. That's not what I really wanted from this card. I'm hoping that it's just something that I've missed. I'm actually running out of time now to sit and play with it, so I'm going to have a little chat with one of the guys who have had this card for a little while now, and he's based in the UK as well. I'm going to ask him and say, look, how do you top it up and how do you use your balances? I don't even mind paying the fees. I just want to see the process from start to finish. So what I'll do is, that's my unboxing video at least. That's as far as I've got. I've got no money on it until I send it some cryptocurrency. I'm hoping to get this all activated by is it the 12th, when they're doing 50% off Bitcoin. I'm very interested in taking part in that. I believe you have to buy so many MCO or maybe CRO coins before you can actually participate, which I'm looking to do this week. So I want to get everything in place so it's all there ready to go on the day that they do that offering. So I'll do another video on crypto.com and the app and the card itself, and hopefully once I can get some money on the card, I can then do a video of me going to takeaways, restaurants, supermarkets, spending on it, coming back and having a look at the transactions, how much they cost and how quick and smooth the whole process was. So I don't know the PIN number for this either. When do they give you the PIN number? Interesting. I need to look into that as well. Because it didn't come with no PIN number. Unless I'm missing something out of the box. No. That's it from me, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to give this video a like if you want to see more from crypto.com and their card. And also click the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.